All right, guys, today I'm going to teach you how to actually change the battery on your hardwired smoke detector. It's a lot more difficult than people think. There is a door on this particular one where you can open it and the battery's right inside there. Now, most homeowners, their smoke detector starts chirping, right? So they take the battery out and they put a new battery in and the thing is still chirping and it keeps chirping forever. And it drives them crazy. They think that the smoke detector has gone bad or they need to replace it or whatever, but that's really not the truth. The way that you change a battery on a smoke detector is actually you want to twist this thing off like this. You want to, I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. You have to unplug it, okay? You want to take the battery out of it. You want to push this button and you hear it still has a little bit of power after I've taken the battery out. Just hold this down for a few seconds. Just kill all the reserved power that's inside of that thing. What happens is, if you take a dead battery out of a smoke detector and you put a brand new one in, the smoke detector doesn't know that. So it doesn't know that it has a fresh battery in it. So it'll keep chirping because it thinks that it has the old battery still in it. So that's why you need to unplug it. You need to take the battery out, press the test button and kill all the power in it. Then you can put in your new battery. This is a brand new battery, but you can put in your new battery. You'll hear it chirp. Plug it in. You can ignore all that other chirping for right now. I'm gonna plug that in, twist it back up there. I'm gonna press this test button one more time. That's going to kind of reset it, let it test itself, and at that point, it will be able to detect that it has a brand new battery in it. And once you've done that, you should not hear any more chirping. That red light doesn't mean anything. You should have a solid green light. Every few seconds, it'll flash red, but that doesn't mean anything. It's just testing itself, making sure that it's plugged in and it has a full battery. These were actually chirping for days and days and days, and I had several people try to change the batteries on them, but they kept chirping, and all I did was follow that process, and now they don't chirp. They have fresh batteries, they're plugged in, they're up to date, and they work fine. There's no need to replace them. You just have to follow a specific battery changing process. Hope that helps you guys.